frustration turn into elation as you turn your head to self-isolation decoration.
Hi there, Phil here from Paint the Town Green, giving you decorating tips to help you do little jobs around the house while you're stuck inside. So today I want to talk to you about Decorators Varnish. It's a really useful thing to have if you want to protect a surface. So it's great on handrails, the top of newel posts, those little round bits, and you come to the end of a run of a banister, you got the newel posts before you come around the corner. Everyone puts their hand on the top as they come down the stairs. It can get quite worn down, quite discoloured, etc, etc. So it's really good to use a varnish on those just to protect them. We get asked to do it a lot. We also get asked to do it on kitchen units, kitchen cupboard doors. I'm going to do a separate video on painting kitchen cupboard doors. There's been a lot of interest in that. But it's a really useful thing for protecting surfaces that get high traffic. Now, I've got two different types of Decorators Varnish here. One of them has got a gloss finish and one of them is a dead flat finish. I'm going to use this product on my daughter's shelves just to protect a surface which is going to get a lot of traffic. So I shall ask my client, would you like gloss or would you like dead flat?
Gloss. Gloss,
okay, so we're going to go for the gloss one. So it's a very easy thing to apply. If you come on in, just give it a shake, hopefully the lid's not too stiff. It's not, so I'm going to use the trusty Tupperware box that we've been using. You could use ideally you do the paint kettle, but if you haven't got one, just use a Tupperware box. We put a little bit in. Okay, now don't panic, it does have a slightly opaque look. It's sort of white, sort of milky when it's wet. This will dry to a clear varnish, so don't worry. And it's slightly milky when it goes on, and when it's in the kettle, it will dry to be transparent. So we've got our painted surface here. Looks lovely, but it won't stay lovely for long if it's getting lots of high traffic. So we just give a little bit of extra protection. So we get it on our brush, tap a bit off, just like when we're painting. And just like with the painting, you need to keep moving and keep a wet edge. So we'll start at one end. Nice clean line along there. Hard to tell where you've been because obviously it's got this sort of milky transparency to it. So you just want to keep working at nice smooth brush strokes. Here we go. Slight sort of mental picture of where you've been and where you haven't been. We've done that edge there. Going slowly on the edges and then just putting it on here. Now if you've seen the video of me painting in here, you'll see that I've brushed out the top of this to give it a nice flat look, so I don't want to spoil that by then getting a sort of roller finish. You could roller on varnish, it's not a problem, but again you can sometimes get that slightly orange peely effect with a roller, and if you want to get a more flatter look with your paint, then do the same technique with your varnish, otherwise you slightly negated the point of doing brush finish with your paint. So we just go nice and slowly around the edges. Make sure our brush is loaded up, tapping it on the side. And the edges there. Sorry, just elbowed the camera person. Filling in the gaps. You could do that cross-hatching effect if you want to. I showed with the painting if you've seen the painting video, but you don't need to. Just nice, long, smooth brush strokes, moving it all around. There we go. If you look at it from the side, you can often get a better see of whether you've missed any bits. It should all be shiny and wet looking, means you covered it. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to do a second coat. And if I haven't missed any little bits, the second coat will get those. And I've brushed it out so there's not any big build-ups, and then that'll be really nicely protected, much less chance that will scratch. Great trick for banisters, newel posts, anywhere you're worried might scratch.